Welcome to our Gwan tours, Gwan Raw, and we are in Albufeira New Town, and we are currently doing a little bit of a behind the scenes so you can see what goes on when we do our channel basically. Comment below if you've been to Albufeira, if you've been to this beach, or if you're thinking about coming. I would definitely recommend Albufeira. It's very quick to get to, not super cheap but not unaffordable. So let me just spin you guys around so you can see a little bit of the behind the scenes. So that's the Insta360 R1. I will put the link below to the equipment that we use just in case I've butchered that. This is the beach bar, some pretty cabanas, sun lounges. Very, very nice. Give you guys a little view of where we are. Let's keep walking. I'm a really big fan of Portugal. It's really grown on me. I haven't been to a lot of places, so I can only really judge it on this little Algarve area, and Faro, which was a nice little stay if you do want to do Faro. One thing about Faro, if anyone's been, there is a lot of planes. So if you're someone who wants to do plane spotting or you're into aviation, that is a perfect place. There's so many planes that go over, and it's very much a plane watcher paradise if that is your thing. I'm walking really fast. Oh, I can see in sync, I think. See him just down there doing a beautiful beach walk. Just keep going. Really annoyed actually, earlier I did a beach walk which will be on the channel. I'll link that one so you can have a look. It's another beach in this area, and this is a lesson to anyone. Always check your recordings, which I know that I didn't, and I only got 3 minutes 50 and it was like a 15-minute walk, so I'm a little bit gutted. But you live and you learn, and it's just going to have to be a lesson that I learn. Make sure I always check. I didn't have my phone on me, so it was just amateur hour. I was being very silly. We haven't vlogged too much because the day we got here it was evening, so we are staying in Old Town, not to confuse things, we're in New Town, and we got here sort of about 10:30, 11 at night. So it was literally get in, put our stuff down, and then we went straight out. The bar we're staying on we're staying above, sorry, and it's the Vegas bar, and it's perfect if you want to just be in the heart of it. You will not get sleep. You're coming here to relax and you want a nice evening and go to bed. Do not pick. If you just want to have, nights of going out and you want to be in the heart of it and you like live music, it's a really good stay. It is what it is, cheap and cheerful in terms of the room. But like I said, we don't really spend a lot of time in there. It's shower, bed. In the evening, we do set up the top because they have like live music. So they have who will sing songs, or female. It's kind of like, if you've ever been to like a hard rock cafe, instead of the hotels, they have sort of, you can sit and watch it from your balcony, or you can sort of halve it. We haven't actually gone and sat down in the Vegas bar to watch it. We always watch it from our balcony. And we had breakfast there this morning, which is, fed us. So yeah, I definitely recommend where we're staying. I am into like bands and music and stuff. Kirk is a little bit more of like DJs, and he's not really a karaoke guy, but he's a good sport, and bless him, he sits through it whilst I sing my heart out to like Oasis and other things. So we got hotel there, very nice. Stairs going up, so you got a little terrace area, and you've got the beach on your doorstep. Weather-wise, high 20s, early 30s, so about 30. So if you are wanting sun just before we go into like real cold back home, this is a really good time to come because all the kids are back at school. So you've got a lot of couples, a lot of young families or kids sort of before they start school. So it's a really good time to come if you're kind of a good bit of sun, but you don't want to pay the August, July prices. I would definitely recommend September in Albufeira, and even probably October. We have come in November before, and the only thing with November I would say is weather was still great. It was just not a lot of things are open. So if you are coming to actually have a party, or you want to, nightlife and all the acts, unfortunately November is out of season. And we see him, he's still over there. So get to like, and more importantly subscribe and share, and put in the comments what you want to see next. We're a very new channel, so we're still trying to find our little groove. Really thank you for all the support that we've already got. and helping our channel grow. Right, so I don't know where this is going. We're going that way. We said we'd meet at that blue building there. So I'm just gonna, I think I'll go actually along, sweating. It's very, very, very hot. So yeah, very quiet around here. Some places you get like a, you know, beach bars and you get music, and others you just got the ocean and people at the beach. There's beach sports, water sports, you know, jet ski, paddleboarding, all the rest of it. That was slippy.
Be careful of the step.
Right, so let's spin you guys around. You can see the icy. Whilst I try and look for Kirk. Right, to the blue building, let's go. I don't know if this is a hotel. Looks like a hotel. I feel like it's just gone hotter. Sweating. So it looks like you've got more sun lounges, cabanas, another little area to sit and have a drink. There he is. Okay. Right, away, reunite. So it's a little kind of themes, just what we do, really to capture all these different areas so you guys can see the beaches, the facilities, what there is on offer, if there's any bars, restaurants, if you want to stay in a hotel, what hotels are close by. But again, any extra feedback, anything you want to see, any ideas will be absolutely perfect. So don't forget to comment and like, and more importantly, subscribe.